We have a question. Particle is moving along a circular orbit under the influence of a force Fr is equal to minus kr. The corresponding potential energy is equal to kr square by 2 and angular momentum is quantized. So this is a regular Bohr model except that we have a different kind of force. We are to find that what is the radius of the orbit. We are supposed to find what is the square of the speed of the orbit and what is the energy of the orbit. So let us see. Here the calculations would be rather big, so we'll be choosing a new page to do this one. So the calculation which we have is F is equal to minus kr. Potential energy is equal to kr square by 2 and angular momentum is the same thing, nh upon 2 pi, or here written as nh bar. So we know the centripetal force mv square by r is equal to the magnitude of the central force kr. This implies mv square is equal to kr square. And momentum is simply mvr in this case as well, so there's nh prime. If we can square velocity here, so we'll get m square v square r square is equal to n square h prime square. So this implies k r square into m into r square is equal to n square h prime square. So square root km is into r square is equal to n h prime, or r square is simply nh prime divided by square root km. So option A is what we are getting, nh prime divided by square root km is r square. We can get v square as well. V square is nothing but k by m times r square. So this is a rather tricky question. We are not supposed, we are asked to find what is v square. You can find r as well. R will be simply square root of the thing which we have found. There would be square root of n, square root of h prime, and 1 upon 4th power of km. But it would be the same thing. So v square is equal to k by m into r square. So k by m into nh prime divided by square root km. So this is nh prime square root k divided by m cube. This is v square. This is the complete expression which we are looking for v square as well. Then third option is L by m square. What that is? So L by m square, you would try to be thinking it is angular momentum divided by moment of inertia, which is angular speed. And what is angular speed? It is simply speed divided by r. So it is nh prime divided by square root m cube divided by nh prime into square root km and the square root of this whole thing. So this nh prime gets cancelled. This is k upon m square, and we have to take a square root of this. So this is coming out to be, so yeah, from this expression only we can say v by r is equal to square root k by m. M would somewhere cancel out here. Um, so this is what omega is, and this is L by m r square. Then we have energy. What is energy of this expression? So energy is nothing but half mv square plus the energy kr square by 2, which we have. When we add these two quantities, uh, we'll get something two times that of the thing which we are getting here. This value is nh prime by 2 square root k by m. This is actually kinetic energy, the expression. So this is just a little bit of calculation, but you will be able to get. So option D is not what we are getting. B and C are correct ones. So thank you for joining.